Have you ever thought about buying a house on the Eastern Shore? This is my new listing. It is a rancher, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and it is in Kent Island Estates. Really pretty. It's just one house away from the water. Right behind me, this is another house, and this house behind me is the one that looks over the water. The community has a private beach, a waterfront picnic area. I'll show you all of that. We are today at my listing at 713 Bay Drive in Stevensville. And here we are. So the house itself is 1,784 square feet. You see this section? This was added on, and that's your primary bedroom. If you look over there, you will see the water. That's the Tolson Creek. And then over here, unfortunately, it is a cloudy day, but that is the bay. And let's take a look inside the house. The house is a 3 bedroom, 2 full baths, ensuite bathroom for the primary bedroom. The primary bedroom was added on in 2013, and it has an open concept, which is really nice because of the flow. There is also a electric fireplace. The lot itself is almost an acre. It's actually 0.91 acres. And here we are. As you can see, this is your formal living space. It opens up to the deck. There's a dining area, workspace, and then a white kitchen with stainless steel appliances. It's all electric, but what's nice here is you also get public sewer line. The water as well, but the sewer is public. This is more like your rec room, big screen TV which conveys. And if you like the furniture, you can also get it furnished. This is luxury vinyl. This is your hall bathroom, as you can see. White cabinet, ceramic tiles. This is a tub. And then you walk through the hallway. This is 1 bedroom. Nice size. And then across from it is the 2nd bedroom. Right? And then you walk over here. This is your primary bedroom. Nice and spacious. You even have some seating area. Again, like I said, you can always take the furniture as well. You have a walk-in closet there, and then a spacious double sink primary bathroom with a shower. And there's a skyline. And this overlooks the backyard. Now, part of the backyard is fenced, as you can see, not all of it. That shed over there actually is part of the land as well. This is a corner lot. It's a big lot and very well maintained. Let me take you up on the deck as well. Here is your deck. And there's the creek over there. So you have unobstructed views of the creek from the deck. And then this is your backyard. Of course, the backyard is perfect if you have kids or if you have dogs. It's all fenced, so it's easy to maintain. And then you see the gate to the backyard. That takes you to the shed over there. What's nice about the location is that you have a lot of amenities just off of 301. There is a Target, a Starbucks, Ace Hardware, and a lot of dining. One of my favorite places to go on the Eastern Shore is Fisherman's Crab Deck, because I like sitting on the water and just having crabs there. It's really nice and very peaceful here. Of course, the best part is sitting up on the deck and watching the peaceful water. Like I mentioned, the sewer is public. You will have what we call front foot for the sewer. It's $300 a quarter, and that is implemented until 2040. And then you have your washer and dryer, and this is the well equipment. It is owned. And not least, this is your hot water. And you see the view from the far corner here as well. Beautiful, open, spacious. So whether you're thinking about the house as a second home or thinking about it as your main residence, it's open year-round, which is nice. It's not like it is just a vacation location. Now let me show you. This is the lot. See that creek? That's the line of the property. Is within inside that creek. And if you see the shed over there, that shed is basically the shed for the house. There, deck, right there, house, and this is your fenced-in backyard as well. And those trees look like they are inside the property line as well. Those three ones back there. And here is your creek. Let's walk over. Very peaceful in here. Some of the houses next door, really pretty houses. And here you see those picnic tables over there. You can definitely sit outside here, enjoy lunch or dinner by the water. And this all belongs to the community. That's the creek. That's the Paulson Creek that you can see from the deck of the house as well. Now let's go and take a look at the private beach. You see the house all the way back there. It's a pretty view. So I just wanted to show you how pretty it is walking down from the picnic area. And see how big the land is, because it's a decent size. Like I said, it's almost an acre. approaching it. We're approaching the deck. Beautiful evening. You can sit down at their grill and just enjoy a quiet moment. I'm taking you now to the private beach, which is on the other end of the island. So you have the picnic area on one end, and then you have the beach itself on the other end. It's a nice walk to it, and here we are. Sandy, colored sand. You can see how pretty this is. It's beautiful. So if you want to know more, remember, the address is 713 Bay Drive in Stevensville. It's Kent Island Estates, and if you want to know more, just contact me. This is Sherine with the Sherine Monir Group of Compass Real Estate.